Our next speaker is someone we should all look up into the healthcare system, as our recent encounters on social platforms showcase the victory of this renowned doctor against the misleading ORS labels on high sugar drinks.
She's a distinguished pediatrician, first aid trainer, social activist, and parent educator, passionately working to safeguard children's health and empower parents with the right knowledge. Her advocacy has sparked nationwide conversations and has been instrumental in pushing brands and authorities to rethink their practices. Recognized for her remarkable impact, she was nominated by the government of Andhra Pradesh for the Padma Award in 2023 and has been honored by Times Now with the Visionary in First Aid and Preventive Pediatrics Award in both 2024 and 2025. We all request you to please join me in welcoming Dr. Shivaranjani Santosh.
Please welcome, ma'am.
The team, CSR South team, you're doing excellent work. Congratulations and all the very, very best, and sustain this. That's my message to you. And I won't take more than 4 to 5 minutes. I'll briefly share this journey about how I got ORS removed from the misleading labels of high sugar drinks and why I had to persist in spite of trolling, in spite of threats, in spite of everything. I sustained this momentum for almost 8 years, and then I made it happen. And there were many pediatricians who would have written to the authorities. And there were some social media influencers who were vocal on social media. But I'll tell you what I have done. It was like a Padma Vyuham only. There was no way out for them. Starting from talking to parents to raising awareness on social media, talking about it during my first aid training programs, writing to the authorities persistently, bombarding them with letters, proofs, sending our people, recording video proofs, sending those proofs also to the authorities, Central Health Ministry and to the Prime Minister, filing for a public interest litigation in the Telangana High Court, convincing Endocrine Society of India and Women Pediatricians Forum to implead in my petition, and talking to the major pharma distributors that they should not sell anything except WHO recommended formula ORS in the pharmacies, and reaching out to the hospitals in Hyderabad and getting these high sugar mislabeled drinks removed from the hospitals. Some of the hospitals, I mean, like, I didn't leave any whatever little bit hope I had, I didn't leave that hope. I held on to it because this had humongous implications for the lives and health of children of this country and for the adults, especially those with diabetes. Diarrhea can kill. Worsening of sugar can kill a person. And some companies so unethically mislabeled its drink as the life-saving solution ORS and is omnipresent and cheating people. I couldn't take it lying low. It was criminal, and there were so many times when, like, my family was stressed, we were stressed, social media trolling, threats that you will be killed, and what nonsense, like what not. But still I said, no, this is one thing. If I step back, nobody will take it up. So I had to do this, and I did this. And it was a very difficult journey, especially when your own association doesn't support you. And I want to share some nice moments also. So a few days back, my friend, who is a very famous gastrosurgeon in Hyderabad, casually went to a pharmacy and said, I want only ORSL. And the pharmacist there said, doctor, haven't you seen Dr. Shivaranjani's videos? They are not ORS. Okay, please don't drink them. They are harmful to you. And he messaged me saying, I got goosebumps, Shiva, when she said that. That is the level of awareness you have brought. It's not about a policy change. It's not about an order from FSSA. That's the level of awareness. The pharmacist told me, don't take it. Same thing from Bombay, one surgeon messaged me. He went to 7 shops, pharmacies. 6 they gave WHO recommended formula ORS to him. In the 7th one, he gave WHO recommended formula ORS, but the doctor saw that the remaining stock of ORSL was there. He said, I want that. Then the pharmacist said, sir, that is not ORS. And this gives me that, yeah, finally, even if some company now comes up with some other deception also, people are not going to let it happen now. Because everybody knows, every mother knows, every father knows, every son knows, every spouse knows. So they are not going to let it happen. So I can proudly say that yes, I did this. Okay, so my message to you all, ethics, empathy, perseverance. You believe in some cause, never give it up. Persist till you reach there. So many obstacles will be there, so many ups and downs, but persist, perseverance. This is very important, and most of you are still in your academics, right? And startups, beginning of your careers. See, ethics. I want all of you to be successful, but don't take shortcuts. Stick to your ethics. Always, and trust me, even if it's slow, but when you reach there, you will be there forever. So, yeah, no shortcuts, and wish you all the very, very best, and use social media in the right way. For right causes. That's one more thing I want to tell, because but for social media, I don't think I would have won this battle. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. Thank you, dear team, and all the very best, and thank you to all. Thank you.